What's it like working with family and working with your dad? And again, you've done that since the beginning,
Yeah,
unofficially and informally, and now more formally. But what's that
yeah,
like? Are there boundaries? Are there stepping on toes? I find it interesting, the family business dynamic.
yeah, absolutely. Pe- I've seen many different scenarios, and I have two words: fortunate and blessed. Right. My dad is not only my father, but he's also a friend, a mentor, a man with wisdom. I make decisions. He never questions them. He let me hold the throne. But it comes with responsibilities, and I got to make sure I make the right responsibilities. And if anything, it's a lot more stressful now than what it was maybe 8 years ago because it was very little loans. Almost everything was paid off, and he was by himself, and there was not much at stake. Now we've grown a few more stores. There's a lot more loans. We've grown in many different ways, right? And so that comes with a lot more responsibilities. It's a lot more stressful. Got to make sure that
Sure.
everything is paid for on time. So until the mortgages start falling off, we're going to be walking on a thin line. But
Yeah.
that's the name of the game. So um, working with dad though, like he doesn't question anything I say. I do whatever he does, he wants to do. We every morning we or every afternoon we'll sit down and we'll just talk, and I'll give him an idea. It'll be the wildest idea, and he'll be like, go for it. And sometimes he'll have an idea, I'll be like, go for it. Sometimes I'll say something, he'll be like, okay, not now, maybe later. No problem. We don't butt heads. We don't, it's not like, oh, you can't do this, why are you doing this? It's never like that. So for people that that do want to work with their family, um it comes a lot with a lot of responsibility, but it's a two-way street. It's not a one-way
Mhm.
street.
Right, and a lot of reward at the end too, and you really
For
can't ask for
sure.
anything better than that too.
For sure.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
absolutely.